We did the question 1.1. Question 1.1 that says so for x, and now in the previous video we did question 1.1.1 and question 1.1.2. Now we're going to do question 1.1.3. I'm going to write the question here. We have like 2 minus x in the bracket times x plus 4 also in the bracket greater or equal to 0. Now it is important to note that the symbol here makes the expression that we see an inequality. Okay, so the greater than or equal makes all this an inequality, not an equation. Now, unlike equations, inequalities solutions are over certain intervals. So we are required to find the critical values that determine the boundaries of each interval. Okay, so the first step here is to find the critical values. To determine the critical values. So it is why we're going to set we're going to make it an equation in order to find the critical values. I'm going to set it equal to 0. Now, remember the property math that says if we have like a times b equal to 0, this implies that a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Okay, so in this situation, we will do 2 minus x equal to 0 or x plus 4 equal to 0. Then over here, if I move the x over, I'll have 2 equal to x, okay, which means x is equal to 2. So we have the solution. We have like this is not the solution. This is not the value of the value of x, but this is a critical value, okay, one of the boundary. And except similar to this, x plus 4. If I move the 4 over, this will be negative 4. This is also another critical values. Now I can draw the number line. Well, I can, okay, I'm going to draw the number line here over here. I can plot then my critical values, okay? We plot the critical values in ascending order. So I cannot put 2 and then negative 4 here. No, there must be an ascending order. So I'm going to put negative 4 over there and then 2. Now, I need to check the sign of the equation here, or the inequality here, on each interval, okay? So, I want to pick up a value of, on any value in this interval, because we have like now 3 intervals, from negative infinity to negative 4, from negative 4 to 2, and from 2 to positive infinity. So, I need to find the signs of this expression, or this equation, or this inequality, I mean, in this interval, that interval, and that interval. Now, in this interval, I'm going to pick up any number. Make sure the number is in that interval, a number like negative 5. I cannot take negative 3, because negative 3 will be somewhere there. I take something like negative 5. So, if I sum negative 5 for x, what am I going to get? If I sum negative 5 there, I'm going to have a positive number. A negative 5 over here is going to make a negative number. Positive times negative makes negative. Meaning, in this interval is negative. Okay, my solution is negative. Then, I'm going to look at the other interval from negative 4 to 2. I'm going to pick up any number, okay? I prefer to take a number 0. I know 0 is, with 0, the calculation is much easier. So if I sum 0 there for x, I will have like positive times positive, which will make positive. And then I want to take also a number. It's going to be true for any numbers within the interval, okay? It's going to be true for any number within the interval. We'll take another number in this interval. After 2, if I take a number like 3, for instance, I'm going to sub 3 for x. So if I sub 3 for x, check what I have. Over here, I'm going to get a negative answer, which is negative 1, and then I have positive 7. So negative 1 times positive 7, this makes negative 7. So over here, the interval must be, in this interval, the solution must be always negative. So now we work the solution where it is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means 0 and the positive solution. So because we have greater than or equal, meaning those numbers we have like we have a bold circles there and there also. So our solution is over here in this interval from -4 to 2. So the solution is not over here, it's not here, it's not there either. So the solution for this question is -4 lesser than or equal to x lesser than or equal to 2. This is the solution for. So this is the interval over which this inequality is positive, is greater or equal to 0. Thank you.